representations. The different representations we know these different representation. We are studied in earlier classes also in the 10th, 11th, 10th first year, second year also. You have seen these. They are the data we are now. This collected data can be presented called as frequency distribution data. What we have arranged, that can be on a bar chart, on frequency histogram, or frequency polygon, or Augew curve, or less than Augew curve. This bar chart, what is the difference between histogram and bar chart? What this represents? The number of ranges and the frequency, occurrences of frequency. They in the frequency histogram you won't find any gap between these bars, and in this bar chart you will find the gaps between these bar charts, these bars. So these are the representing tools. Easily you can understand the process, where the process is going on. So these are you need not have to calculate anything. You just watch this, you can understand the where the process is going on. Suppose this is the frequency polygon, where the time versus frequency, how the products are going on in a frequency polygon. If this is a one typical case where less than and more than Augew curve can be drawn in the where here the example is taken as Marx versus cumulative frequency. So this curve also shows how the mass and the frequency is varying. It is called as length. It is having a typical shape, this S type shape. That's why it is called as Augew curve. So these are the representation from the data. This I will not go in detail of this, because this data, this you have already learned this. You know how to calculate the frequency histogram and bar chart. I am going to explain you later the another charts which are very important for our this diploma purpose. Now in every data there is a central tendency, because the manufacturer or the expected supplier will expect that the product must be with a specific limit having a mean diameter. He is not he will not accept the products where the diameter varies with a upper control limit or a lower control limit. He wanted that the product must be lie at a center line. So what is for that purpose we need to calculate the central tendency. Now this here, what is central tendency? One of the salient characteristics of a distribution of a sample data is that observation tend to concentrate in the center of the distribution. This characteristic is termed as a central tendency. See this is the central tendency, because always in normal distribution curve I explain you that all the walls, take an example of that walls manufactured in the ball bearing, where the balls are lying in the central maximum wall, because this is the central tendency characteristics